I was so happy with how clean and not clean, but like how good my skin was doing, like with not having that many breakouts. And then my skin heard it and decided to break out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you want to see what beauty empties, and actually it's more makeup empties in this one. Anyway, if you want to see my thoughts on that, make sure you keep on watching. I am like weirdly far away, so I feel like whenever I'm doing a makeup tutorial, we'll have to adjust that. And this feels odd. But I just got those shelves hung in the back yesterday, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. I'm very thankful. A friend of mine hung those for me. I'm very thankful for that. So I kind of wanted to have the camera a little bit further back so you could see my decor back there. I just did this morning, like decorated most of that this morning. That's probably not going to stay like that for a long time, or like it might look different in my next video, but I am happy with how it looks right now. And I'm so happy that I have shelves in the back. Hopefully this is, I don't know, this is a good frame, I guess. But yes, we are going to talk about some beauty empties that I just recently finished up. And as I mentioned, a lot of them are more makeup stuff. I feel like I've been using up a lot of makeup things. And I'm almost out of things like this powder, but it's not going to be included in this video. But literally, like, do you see how much I have left? Like, not that much. And I do have a backup of that, thankfully. So I've been kind of using my backups more. So I love doing empties videos, and I feel like it wasn't that long ago that I did one. But I love doing empties videos because I love like completing or finishing up a product, because I love finishing a task, and not that like finishing a makeup product is finishing a task, but I just find it very satisfying using something up. Maybe some of you out there will get me with that. But yeah, I love doing beauty empties videos, and I also am so happy with how my office is turning out. I want to get, like, we will get into this, just give me a second. I want to get a different floor lamp in here that matches better, because this one I'm just borrowing from my dad, and I want to get like 2 little side tables for either side of my love seat. But yeah, I love this room so much. It makes me so happy. So first of all, we have a cleanser that I used up. I don't know if I would use this again, just because this is actually the second one, but just with it being an exfoliating cleanser, and I have other exfoliating products, so I feel like I would rather use the exfoliating products rather than using my exfoliating cleanser, if that makes sense. Because like, if I just used an exfoliating cleanser, I'm not going to use an exfoliating mask or whatever that same night. Like, I feel like that would just be too much exfoliation. So, like right now I have the Herbivore. I'm blanking on the name, but I will put it on the screen. But I got it as a Christmas present, and I really, really like using that for exfoliating. I have some makeup wipes that I used up. I've mentioned this before. I don't really use this to like remove makeup on my face so much, as I mostly use these if I have, well, I guess on my face, but like at the end of the day, I don't use them to take off my makeup. But like if I'm doing an eyeshadow look and I have a lot of fallout, I might use them. Or whenever I was mixing foundation colors, obviously I'm very pale right now, so I'm not mixing foundation colors right now. But when I was mixing foundation colors on the back of my hand, I might use a makeup wipe, or I might use micellar water with a cotton round. Just really depends. But that's mostly how I use makeup wipes. I used up this toner. This actually lasted me for a while. I mean, also I was using this one and a different one, and I didn't necessarily use a toner every single day. I got this in a FabFitFun, and I liked the experience of it, but I don't know if it radically changed my skin. And for that reason, I don't know if I would get this in the future. Like, I don't think it hindered my skin, but I don't know if it radically changed it. So yeah, I love skincare, so like I guess I liked the experience of it, and I hope that makes sense. This is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. So, and it says made in Italy, so that's pretty cool. I used up a face mask. This is the Glam Glow Bubble Shape Mask. I think I might have one of these left at least, hopefully. I love this. I love my skin. It feels so clean after using one of these, but I've mentioned this in my last Empties videos. If you buy one of these full price individually, it's $9, which is crazy to me for a single use mask to pay $9. So I like to get them in like a set or whenever it's on some sort of sale because I like saving money, you know. But I do love how clean my skin feels. And honestly, I might, if I do have another one of these, I'm probably gonna use it tonight because my face broke out last night and I'm upset. I was so happy with how clean and, not clean, but like how good my skin was doing, like with not having that many breakouts. And then my skin heard it and decided to break out. Next up, I finally used up an Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I love this. I've used this setting spray for years, not this specific bottle. That would be anyway, not this specific bottle, but I've used this product in general for years and I love this setting spray and I see myself continuing to use it in the future. I've already started using another one. So yeah, I love the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Next up, I have the Kate Somerville, let me try that again. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I did like how luxurious this felt on my skin, but I try to use it more in the winter time whenever it is drier, but Florida is still so humid. So this is my second one and I think I got it on sale. Did I get this on sale or did I get this as a gift? Either way, I liked the product, but I don't know if I would like make a point to purchase it in the future just because I do think it is pretty thick and I do have oily skin. I don't think it broke me out. I didn't notice that, I don't think, but just because I do have oily skin, I feel like I would probably prefer a different moisturizer. I used up a couple Monet products. Ooh, I used up 3 Monet products. This one I actually used up a while ago. I just hadn't mentioned it in my Empties. I like using Monet. I say this every single time I mention it. I do have a few videos on Monet and how it's helped my hair. So I will link at least one of them up here, one of these sides, if you haven't seen that. I do think it has really helped my hair, as I mentioned, and I feel like I mention that every single time. So the first thing, I got this from a friend. This is the Strong Flexi Hold Hairspray, and I did really appreciate getting this, but I like the one, I can't remember the name of it, but I like that one better because I feel like it's a stronger hold, and since it is so humid here and I have not very curly hair, not that this is curly, but like I feel like I needed a little bit more of a hold to keep the curls in my hair whenever I do curl it. So I was very thankful for that product, but I'm probably going to prefer buying the other hairspray over the Strong Flexi Hold one. I used up a conditioner. This is the Smoothing Deep Conditioner. This is, I think, the second one of this that I've gone through. It's a good conditioner. Ooh, I like that conditioner. I used up the Perfectly Platinum conditioner, which unfortunately this was discontinued, and I hope that Monet does another platinum line because I do like my hair to be more cool toned and platinum toned. Like I got it done at the beginning of, no, it wasn't the beginning of December. It was in November. And I kind of want to get it done again just because I like my hair being very platinum blonde. And I am not, I know, I feel like it still does look pretty blonde, but I would like it to be more platinum. I hope that Monet does another platinum line. And I know that there's other brands that do platinum shampoo. I had the Kristen S one, but I think that I got rid of those because I was using Monet products. So I'm kind of regretting that a little bit now, but I need to find, an alternative for a different brand of platinum shampoo until, because I don't know if Monet is going to come out with one again. I used up a baby shampoo. This is what I use to wash my makeup brushes. I need to wash my makeup brushes tonight. This is the Parents' Choice Baby Shampoo. I like using baby shampoo to wash my makeup brushes, as I've already said, and I think I bought that same brand whenever I repurchased a different one. I used up the base tape. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and I surprisingly really liked this. This, I think, was my favorite primer in 2020, and I would probably get it again, but maybe, like, I know we're still, well, this is January when I'm filming it, but it'll be February whenever it goes up. I don't know. I feel like I would repurchase this in the future, but once again, probably when it's on sale and not repurchased. This was actually included like in a little sample thing since I spent a certain amount of money on Tarte. That's how I got this, and I really surprisingly liked this primer because it's hydrating, and I do have oily skin, but it didn't make my skin like super shiny. That's I guess the word that I was looking for, like shiny all over. I didn't really get that vibe with this that I remember. So I did surprisingly like that primer. I'm very, very sad to have used up this product because if my memory is correct, full price, this serum is $135. This, I obviously did, well, hopefully it's obvious. I did not pay $135 for this. I did not purchase this myself. This was included in a FabFitFun. It's either FabFitFun or BoxyCharm, and I feel like it was more FabFitFun because BoxyCharm, like that would be a really expensive product to include in a BoxyCharm. But either way, this is the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. And once again, something like this, I feel like I liked the experience of more than seeing dramatic differences with my skin. I'm just being completely transparent, completely honest. Once again, I love skincare, so I did like the experience of using this. Like, how many times am I gonna say again? I'm just being completely honest here, but I am. I would use this again, but I would not, see, I don't like saying definites. I would most likely probably not pay $135 for this just because that is a crazy amount of money for a serum. I think this is one ounce. No, it's not even a full ounce. It's 0.68 fluid ounces. But now I can use my other serums up, so I guess there's that. I used up a mascara that I did like. I would repurchase this because I did like it. I like getting high-end mascaras, but I also like changing them out. I really like how my lashes look today. I will share what I have on them in a second. This is the Lancome Monjour Big Mascara. I got this on sale, and I will probably get one in the future if I can find it on sale. Let me show you products that I have on my eyelashes today. So I have the, let me try that again. I have the Lancome Lash Primer on, and then I layered the Tarte Maneater Mascara and the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. So this is the trio that I have on my lashes, and I really like how it turned out. I have a few more products to mention. I have a couple brow products. So I finally did use up the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is in the shade 3. I see myself continuing to use that. I've already had a backup that I've already started using. I was sad to use this up because at first I wasn't like a huge fan of it, and I don't know if I would repurchase it in the future because once again, I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I would be up for trying to find an affordable option. Not that this is super expensive, but it is Hourglass. Let me share with you what it is first. This is the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in the shade Warm Blonde. I really liked this because I think that it was a great shade, but also I liked the convenience of it because one side had a little spoolie for brushing your brows, and then the other side had the pencil, and I just love how convenient it is, and I want to find something else like this if I don't repurchase this in the future. So if you have a recommendation of a product like this, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to see what your recommendations are. I have two Smashbox products. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm not a huge fan of this, but I did want to use it up. I got this as a freebie, like with purchase kind of situation. I'm pretty sure something like that. But anyway, I didn't love this just because I don't like the silicone-y feel for primers. That's just my personal preference. I did finally also use up the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. Now I love this, and I've already started using it up I've already started using my backup of this as well. So I do see myself using this in the future, and it's just kind of interesting because it's kind of like the same line. These are both photo finish primers, but this is for the face, this is for the eyes, and I just don't like the silicone feel, so I don't like this one. But this one doesn't, maybe it does feel silicone, but I'm trying to think about it. Obviously, it's like a different consistency because this is a shadow primer, and I do love this, and I see myself definitely using this in the future, especially based on the fact that I'm already using my backup, and the fact that I had a backup in general should kind of show you what I think about the product. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out Also, if you want to watch another video, I will link right here the video that I recently did with my best friend. It's one of my favorite videos because she's like one of my favorite people, and I think it was just a fun video, and I think that you would also enjoy it if you liked this video. So just click right there to go check that out. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also hit the bell notifications, that way you'll get notified whenever I post, and I will see you in my next video.